Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to make Firefox tab into a new window. So if you have Firefox open and you have a bunch of tabs open guys, and you would like to start something new by opening into a brand new window, it is very easy to do. So how do you go about doing this guys? You want to click on the tab, right? You want to hold down on your keyboard and just simply drag towards the middle of the screen with a click. And here you see that it drags it out, and I now have the brand new window open. So if I go back now to Firefox and hover over it on the taskbar, you see that I now have 3 tabs. And here is the first one that I had it beside the Google there on this tab. And now you can see the YouTube is in a different window as well. So now it turns into 2 windows. Very easy and very simple guys. And that's how you go about taking your tab within your Firefox by simply clicking on it, drag it out, and it will open into a brand new window. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.